Hello, good night. Halo, selamat malam. Last video, I had given you 7 examples of past tense. Kemarin saya sudah kasih ke teman-teman 7 contoh kalimat past tense. And now, let's make those sentences into 3 varieties of sentence that are positive, negative, and interrogative. Nah, marilah kita buat ketujuh kalimat tersebut ke dalam 3 jenis kalimat, yaitu positif, negatif, dan kalimat tanya. Alright, number 1. She was 12 years old 5 years ago. Positive sentence. She was 12 years old 5 years ago. Positive one. She was not 12 years old 5 years ago. Negative. She was not 12 years old 5 years ago. She was not 12 years old 5 years ago. Negative sentence. Alright. The coming of not here make this sentence become negative. Kehadiran not pada kalimat ini menjadikannya menjadi kalimat negatif. Alright. Was she 12 years old 5 years ago? Was she 12 years old 5 years ago? Apakah dia berumur 12 tahun 5 tahun yang lalu? Okay. The position of to be with here and then followed by subject make this sentence become interrogative sentence. Nah, kehadiran was di depan ini atau di awal kalimat dan diikuti oleh subjek membuat kalimat ini menjadi kalimat tanya. Alright. Okay, I think this very easy. Next, number 2. Kita lanjut ke nomor 2. He was a pilot, positive. He was not a pilot, negative. Was he a pilot? Interrogative. Alright. Subject he come in the beginning, followed by to be was, and then object a pilot. Nah, he ditempatkan di awal, di depan, diikuti oleh to be was, lalu diikuti dengan object a pilot. Nah, this is positive. Inilah positif. He was a pilot, positive. Dia adalah seorang pilot, positif. He was not a pilot. Dia bukanlah seorang pilot. Bukanlah, berarti dia negatif. He come first, followed by was, and then we add not after to be, and followed by object. Okay. Nah, di sini subject he ditempatkan di awal, diikuti oleh to be was, lalu kita tambahkan not setelah to be. Apapun to be-nya boleh ya, tergantung subjeknya. Yang pasti subjek dulu baru to be, lalu not, kemudian diikuti oleh objek. Itu adalah negatif, kalimat negatif. He was not the pilot. He was not a pilot. Negative sentence. Was he a pilot? Was here as a to be, we put in the beginning and then followed by subject he and then followed by object a pilot. Then we put question mark in the end of the sentence, of course. Nah, to be was kita tempatkan di depan, paling depan, kemudian diikuti oleh subjek he dan diikuti oleh objek a pilot. Kemudian jangan lupa membubuhkan tanda tanya. Inilah yang namanya kalimat tanya. Was he a pilot? Was she a pilot? Apakah dia seorang pilot? Okay, right. More easy for you guys. Apakah semakin lebih gampang buat teman-teman? Alright, we go on to number 2. Lanjut kita ke nomor 3. Positive sentence. Kalimat positif. It was very heavy. It was very heavy. Sangat berat. Itu sangat berat. Alright. Negative sentence. It was not very heavy. It was not very heavy. Itu tidaklah berat. How about interrogative? Bagaimana dengan yang kata tanya? Kalimat tanya. Was it very heavy? Was it very heavy? Apakah itu berat? Alright. The words that we use in positive sentence and in interrogative sentence are same. But the position of some words are different. Okay. Nah, teman-teman, kata-kata yang kita temukan di kalimat positif dan kalimat tanya sama saja, semuanya sama, hanya beberapa penempatannya berbeda. Alright. If in positive sentence, subject comes first, then followed by to be and then object. But in interrogative sentence, to be whatever it is come first, then followed by subject, then object. Nah, teman-teman, di kalimat positif dan kalimat tanya sama saja kata-katanya, penempatannya yang berbeda ya. Nah, jika di kalimat positif subjek dulu yang hadir, lalu diikuti oleh to be, lalu objek. Sementara di kalimat tanya, to be dulu hadir, baru diikuti oleh subjek. Apa saja pun itu to be-nya sesuai dengan subjeknya. Yang penting hadirnya duluan di kalimat tanya adalah to be, diikuti oleh subjek, lalu diikuti oleh objek. How about the negative? Bagaimana dengan negatif? Nah, ini kita ada tambahkan. We add something here. That's not. Nah, kita tambahkan kata yang lain di sini, yaitu kata tidak. Ya. Okay. And not here we put after to be. Ya. Dan kata not ini kita letakkan setelah to be. Okay. Positive sentence and negative sentence are almost same ya. Nah, kalimat positif dan kalimat negatif hampir sama ya. The position of the words are same. Posisi-posisi kata-katanya sama. But we add not after to be. Tetapi kita tambahkan kata not, kata tidak setelah to be. Alright. I repeat again number 3. It was very heavy. Itu sangat berat. It was not very heavy. Itu tidak berat. Was it very heavy? Apakah itu berat? Alright, number 4. It was good yesterday. I was good yesterday. Saya baik-baik saja kemarin. I was good yesterday. Saya baik kemarin. Atau saya baik-baik saja kemarin. I was not good yesterday. Saya tidak baik-baik saja kemarin. Saya tidak baik-baik saja kemarin. Was I good yesterday? Apakah saya baik kemarin? Was I good yesterday? Apakah saya baik-baik saja kemarin? Alright. More easy. Number 5. You were a hero. Kamu adalah seorang pahlawan. You were not a hero. Negative sentence. Kamu bukanlah seorang pahlawan. Were you a hero? Apakah kamu seorang pahlawan? Kalimat tanya. Sekali lagi. Subjek datang di awal. If the subject come first, it means that it is a positive sentence. Itu artinya dia itu positif. You were a hero. Kamu adalah seorang pahlawan. You were not a hero. Kamu bukanlah seorang pahlawan. Okay, the coming of not make this sentence become negative. Nah, kehadiran not di kalimat ini menandakan dia adalah kalimat negatif. Were you a hero? The coming of were in the beginning and followed by subject, make this sentence become interrogative sentence. Kehadiran were atau to be di awal diikuti oleh subjek, nah menandakan atau membuat kalimat ini menjadi kalimat tanya. Oke, I repeat again. Number 5, saya ulangi lagi, nomor 5. You were a hero, positive sentence. You were not a hero, negative sentence. Were you a hero, interrogative sentence. Next, number 6. They were classmates last semester. They were classmates last semester. Positive sentence. Mereka adalah teman sekelas semester yang lalu. It means that now no more. Itu artinya sekarang tidak lagi. Alright. They were not classmates last year. They were not classmates last year. Mereka bukanlah satu kelas kemarin. Atau mereka tidak sekelas kemarin. Last semester. I'm sorry. I write here in negative sentence. I mean semester. All right. They were not classmates last semester. Mereka bukanlah teman sekelas semester yang lalu. Next, interrogative sentence. Kalimat tanyanya, were they classmates last semester? Were they classmates last semester? Apakah mereka teman sekelas semester yang lalu atau semester kemarin? Kalimat tanya. Alright, number 7. We were visitors 2 weeks ago. We were visitors 2 weeks ago. Kita adalah pengunjung 2 minggu yang lalu. Kita adalah pengunjung 2 minggu yang lalu. Alright. We and then were and then not. Make this sentence become negative of course object. And then adverb of time. We can add adverb of place too if we want. Kita juga bisa menambahkan kata keterangan tempat jika kita mau, ya. So, negative sentence, we were not visitors 2 weeks ago. Kita bukanlah pengunjung 2 minggu yang lalu. How about interrogative sentence? Bagaimana dengan kalimat tanyanya? We put to be were in the beginning. Next followed by subject we. And then we don't use not of course. Kita munculkan were di depan paling awal. Kemudian diikutin oleh subject we di sini. Di nomor 7 ini. Kemudian kita hilangkan kata not, ya. We directly use visitors as an object here. Visitors. Langsung kita pakai saja pengunjung atau visitors dalam hal ini karena dia sebagai objek. Next, adverb of time. 2 weeks ago. Alright. This is the interrogative sentence. Inilah kalimat tanya. kata to be atau to be-nya datang di depan diikuti oleh subjek lalu objek visitors, kemudian adverb of time, kata keterangan waktu, kemudian ditandai oleh tanda tanya menandakan dia adalah kalimat tanya. Alright, I think this is very clear, but I want to read again for you. Once again number 7, tetapi saya mau bacakan sekali lagi nomor 7 untuk teman-teman. Positive sentence, we were visitors 2 weeks ago. Kita adalah pengunjung 2 minggu yang lalu. Negative sentence, kalimat negatif, we were not visitors 2 weeks ago. Kita bukanlah pengunjung 2 minggu yang lalu. Were we visitors 2 weeks ago? Apakah kita pengunjung 2 minggu yang lalu? Alright guys, I hope all the sentences are very clear for you to make into 3 varieties of sentences, positive, negative, and interrogative. Saya harap teman-teman bisa mengerjakan kesemuanya. Ini kalimat yang ketujuh ini membuat ke kalimat positif, negatif, dan kalimat tanya. I hope you can make what sentences you see in your book or wherever it is, you can make it into positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative one. Nah, saya harap juga jika teman-teman menemukan kalimat di buku atau di mana saja ya, teman-teman bisa membuatnya ke kalimat positif, negatif, dan kalimat tanya. Okay, if you forgot the formula, you can see again my last videos where the formulas I have written for you. Nah, jika rumusnya teman-teman lupa, teman-teman bisa kembali ke video saya yang sebelumnya di mana ada rumus yang sudah saya beri. Okay, here it is. Nah, ini dia. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you, bye bye. Thank you, good night.